The effects of academic stress on the academic performance. The study aimed to determine the effects of academic stress on the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students of SPCB. Main problem. What is the effect of academic stress on the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students of SPCB? Inferential t-test. Specifically, the researchers sought answers to the following questions. Number 1. What is the profile of the respondent students in terms of academic stress and academic performance? Number 2. Which academic stress is experienced the most and the least? Number 3. How grade 9 and 10 students compared in terms of academic stress? Number 4. Is there a significant difference in the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students under use stress and distress? Number 5. Is there a significant difference in academic performance in terms of academic stress? Main problem. What is the effect of academic stress on the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students of SPCB? The critical value was 2.26 and the computed numbers were 0.19. The t-statistic has a value that is less than the critical value. These values indicate that academic stress has no impact on the academic performance of SPCB students in grade 9 and 10. What is the effect of academic stress on the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students of SPCB? Its finding is, the table shows that the respondents that are under use stress are composed of 42% very satisfactory, 34% satisfactory, 14% outstanding, and 10% fairly satisfactory, and 0% did not meet expectation. While the respondents that are under distress are composed of same percentage of 42% very satisfactory and satisfactory, 8% outstanding, 6% fairly satisfactory, and 0% did not meet expectation. The total number of respondents is 162. Its conclusion was the greater part of the respondents that are under use stress are very satisfactory in their scholastic presentation, while most of the respondents that are under trouble are equivalent with very satisfactory and satisfactory. Number 2. Which academic stress is experienced the most and the least? Its findings was as presented in Table 8. The average weighted mean of academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students in terms of users is 85.3, whereas the average weighted mean of academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students in terms of distress is 84.975. Its conclusion was use stress is the most experienced scholarly pressure, while distress is the most unexperienced scholastic pressure. 3. How are grade 9 and grade 10 students compared in terms of academic stress? Its findings was the table shows that grade 9 and grade 10 understudies is thought about by the scholarly pressure that they are encountering. 43% of the respondents that are encountering use stress are from grade 9, while 57% are from grade 10. 62% of the respondents that are encountering trouble are from grade 9 and 38% are from grade 10. Its conclusion was the grade 9 and 10 students is compared by the academic stress that they are experiencing, which are use stress and distress. Number 4. Is there a significant difference in the academic performance of grade 9 and 10 students under use stress and distress? Its finding was the t-value calculated 0.316462 is less than the critical value 1.9822, and its conclusion was accept the null. HO. There is no significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under use stress. HA. There is a significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under use stress. HO. There is no significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under use stress. Number 5. Is there a significant difference in academic performance in terms of academic stress? Its finding was the standard is to dismiss the invalid speculation if the T-stem is not exactly negative 12.71 or more noteworthy than 12.71. For this situation, 1.227 is registered T-stem which falls inside the acknowledged district. And its conclusion was there is no significant difference on the academic performance in terms of academic stress. It is because the null hypothesis is accepted. HO, there is no significant difference on the academic performance of grade 9 and grade 10 students under stress.